Good day, everybody. We're on Lak Muang Road in Surin, Thailand. We're on our way to Robinson's Mall, and we're going to meet with Dave from Got to Love Thailand and look at drones. He's in the market for a drone, and I have 3 drones. He has the original mini model, and he's uncertain which one he wants to get. I know the new Mini 4 Pro just came out, and I just bought my Mini 3 Pro, I believe in January. So the price is the same for the 4 Pro now as I paid for my 3 Pro in January. And I do know they have a little bit better obstacle avoidance than the Mini 3 Pro does. Yeah, I've watched another guy on YouTube, a friend of ours, Jason JJ Drones, has the Mini 4 Pro, and he did a video with it, and obstacle avoidance was pretty amazing. Except for little branches, it just worked its way around the trees and everything, followed him very well. So anyhow, we have other things that we were going to go shopping for at the mall when we're there, but we thought we'd help Dave out trying to pick out a drone without breaking the bank. This is one of the entrances into Robinson, and right over here is the entrance into Power Buy, but you can also consume from inside the store. Power Buy is where they sell all kinds of electrical items, electronics, and
Okay,
appliances.
we're gonna go check out inside. See, power buy here. If you want to buy computer,
Oh, I see they finished
A lot
and
of
everything
things.
opened back up again now.
oh,
Just before we left to go back to the U.S., they had half of the store closed off. They were remodeling.
electronic computer.
Yeah.
If you want to buy here,
Escalator to go to the second
Yeah.
floor, and on the second floor is where the cinema is, and also the store where they sell drones.
okay.
This store here sells the Davy Jones shorts, like what I'm wearing, and they're U.S. sizes, so you can tell them the size you truly wear, and that's what they are. It's not cheap. They're not cheap for sure. Okay, we're in front of Big Camera right now. They sell multiple different drones, and they have the Mini 2 SE, which is this one down here, for $16,400. And they have the Mini 3 for $28,900. But over here they've got the Mini 3 Pro, like mine. They've got it for $27,890.
Wow.
That's not the Flymore combo. You'll have to add for that. And then right next to it's the new Mini 4 Pro.
Which one?
This.
Yeah.
So it looks to me the cameras 2.4, 1.7, they're the same camera. Same camera. This has extra sensors here on top that
Wow.
mine doesn't have. They both have. Oh, it looks like the Mini 4 controller is a little different. It actually has antennas on it. This one does not have. Okay, the Mini 4 Pro Flymore combo is $37,390.
This one. Yeah.
Right here.
Maybe
This
they're
one.
gonna take this.
So it's actually slightly less than we paid for our Mini 3 Pro in January. Our Mini 3 we paid
34, 35,
38,000.
38.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They
I
have,
know.
they have
I looked at it.
promotion. She said the price. This promotion you get
This is
everything
10,000
27,
baht less.
20%.
Right.
This
I know
very
it
good.
probably doesn't. It probably would probably be better to buy this one, but you know, with everything the thing's got on, it's the latest one.
Want me to be honest with you? If I were coming to buy one today,
I buy that one.
Yes.
because it's the latest one, it's got all the newest technology. But the cameras are identical.
Yeah, that's what I heard. Because I was looking at the 2, the SE, and it's only 2. It's the same as my Mini. And I go, why would I buy this? Microphone.
Put on the
I even
film,
bought
DJI.
The scene,
DJI
the
4.
USB. It goes up my arm.
DJI Mini 4.
I bought a
Wow.
so now they both go and
Very
go up.
nice.
They go up together, nothing barely stick out the back. Like I had that big green eyesore
So
sticking up.
why don't they switch the camera? Dave popped for the big bucks and bought a new Mavic, the Mini Pro 4.
We'll see if it flies. If I can fly it and crash it first time, hopefully I don't.
You can go to fly in Andrew house.
We could either go to Andrews or go to the village.
Yeah. Go
I've got to charge it though. But,
okay. Finish.
This one actually is the cheapest.
That's the one I have.
$18.90.
Mine is just that's probably the same as that thing. This is photo. Mine's a photo. It looks
Same price.
safe. Get all your fancy hearing.
Yeah. You have
control?
DJI Mini 4. Have to buy this one.
What are you going to buy, Bob? You can't come here and not buy anything.
I don't need anything. I got so much crap that
He come for
I charge
help.
it all. I'd like to thank you all for supporting us today, helping Dave to pick out his new drone. If you like this content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. It helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.